Hey guys, Rob with Tactical Garage here today. I'm installing a second meth nozzle onto the Alky Control meth injection kit today. So currently we've been running the single one right up here on the top of the air intake. It's a M15 nozzle that comes standard with the Camaro kit right there. And we bought a second nozzle kit here, which essentially just comes with the two hoses here, the T here to connect the existing line in and spray into both of them, and then it comes with you got the check valve here to prevent flow backwards and keep pressure on the line, and then also the new nozzle. And so the new nozzle is actually an M10. I don't think you should. Well, anyways, you're gonna have to take my word for it. So, anyways, so the new one's an M10. I did contact Alky. Originally, I was thinking I might actually run a second nozzle that's another M15, so they're both the same. Alky recommended not doing that. They said just based on what the pump can handle and to keep the proper pressure getting pumped through it, the max I'd want to go is to an M10. So they recommended either an M5 or an M10 for the other nozzle, and I went with the bigger size just to make sure I was getting what I needed. So anyways, so we're gonna get this thing installed in. We'll end up installing the second nozzle down underneath here and see how that goes. I'll catch up with you here in a minute. Okay, I got the second nozzle installed on here, so you can see. There you go. So there and there, and on the inside there. So what I did is similar to when I installed the first one. I just drilled a 3/8 inch hole here, and then I ran a 3/8 inch tap through it too. The nozzle here is actually 13/32, I think, so it's a little bit larger than 3/8. But with this is just hard rubber, so with a little pressure, and if you screw it on in there, it seems to work fine. So next I'll put a little blue Loctite on the threads here, and get the next part installed up here, and then we will come back. Okay, at this point I got the nozzles in place. So the nozzles, and then the check valve here, and then the two different lines there. So the way that works, just so you, is there's a check valve on each one of these. If you look on Alky's website, they have two different twin nozzle upgrade kits. One is a standard one, and one says it's for the Corvette. The Corvette one is the one that you want for the Camaro as well. The Corvette one comes with a second check valve, whereas the other kit doesn't. Presumably the other one has a large enough check valve to feed both lines, whereas the one that comes standard with the Camaro and the Corvette does not. So the question was also, why am I adding a second meth nozzle? Two reasons. First of all, I am seeing a little bit of knock right now, and I'm just trying to verify whether it's false knock or whether it's real knock. I think it's false knock, but if I spray more methanol and the knock is still there, then I know it's false knock, and I can start to pull some of the sensitivity out of the knock sensor, so I'm not getting that false knock. But I wanted to verify that before I started to desensitize the knock sensors. The other thing is that methanol gives you power, so the more methanol you spray, the more power you get. So that's the other thing, is I think by spraying more methanol, I'll see more power, and the car will be faster. So that's the other piece of it as well. So I'll get the main line hooked up here, show you one final thing on how it looks, and then we'll wrap it up. Thanks. Okay, so we're pretty much wrapped up now. the main meth injection line is connected in there, and the line was longer than needed, so I ended up looping the line around right here and wire tied it there. Other than that, I think we're ready to go. So time to do some testing now, some data logging to adjust for the additional methanol that's getting sprayed in there. And right now, that is, I got the 3.375 upper pulley on the Whipple right now. So that makes just over about 11 pounds of boost. And if it all goes well and the time any knock goes away, then I will be dropping the pulley down to the 3.25 pulley and trying that again. So I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, comment, all that good stuff. Thanks.